G'day, I'm Judd from Path of Trees. I'm going to demonstrate how to add variables to a template in Publish to Cloud for Confluence. We're here in Space Settings for the app. You can see we've got cloud service connections at the top and templates at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and add a new template. When adding a template, we get this HTML editor. I'm going to copy in some very minimal code to use for this example. We've got a title, a description, and then a body. We want to populate these areas with content from a Confluence page when it's published. To do that, we use variables. So we'll select our title first. For this, we want to insert a piece of metadata. So we can select that variable type up here at the top, and it pre-fills the right format. We'll give that a name, title, and that's set. We can do the same thing for the description. Add in a metadata variable, name it, and it's good to go. Now, down here in the body, we want to insert content from the Confluence page itself. To do that, we use content section variables. So we insert that up the top. We'll give this one the name header. And we can do the same thing with the main tag. We'll add a content section variable, call this one main. And now our template's all set with variables ready to be populated when publishing a page. We'll give the template a name, save it, and that's good to go. Now over here, we've got a page with macros that have names that match the variables we just added to our template. Up the top, you can see we've got two metadata macros, one for the title and one for the description. And then we also have two content section macros. We've got a header here and then a main section down the bottom. When we publish this page, we can select the template we just created, and that will populate the content. See, variables is our template. That will populate the content in each of these macros into the variables we set up. If we were to publish that, we'd get a simple HTML document like this. And we can see the content from our Confluence page is added there. If we look at the source for this, we can also see that the content for each of those macros has been populated in the HTML exactly as we set out with our variables. We've got a title, a description, a header, and a main section. Whenever a Confluence page is published with Publish to Cloud for Confluence, the variables in the selected template get populated with the content from the page in exactly this manner. With HTML templates in Publish to Cloud for Confluence, content is published as a complete file, ready to deploy. For more, check out the docs linked in the description of this video, or book a live demo at pathoftrees.com.